Your guardian angel has a crucial and transformative message for you at this very moment. Currently, you are immersed in a phase of introspection and self-care, an admirably remarkable journey. For some time, you have chosen to embark on this process of deep self-analysis, exploring your actions, thoughts, and fundamentally discovering the true meaning of self-love that permeates your entire existence. This dedication to self-awareness places you in a privileged position to attract a series of romantic opportunities. You seem to be in a state of intense receptivity, fully open to the new and the unknown, ready to embrace whatever destiny has in store for you. You find yourself immersed in a unique and profound energy, navigating these currents with an intimate connection to your emotions. At this moment, your journey of self-discovery reveals an intensely personal healing process. You have been healing long-held childhood wounds and overcoming insecurities that once seemed insurmountable. This internal transformation has allowed you to exude an aura of pure and genuine happiness, attracting admiration and positive energy from everyone around you. However, even in the face of this significant advancement in your personal development, the healing process continues. The path of human growth is continuous and eternal. Each step forward reveals new layers to be explored and more horizons to be reached. At this moment in your life, you find yourself with a confidence rarely felt before, a reflection of the hard work and dedication to your emotional and spiritual well-being. Your self-esteem now reflects a strength that is almost palpable, and this newfound self-confidence is the foundation upon which you build each new day. You have not only advanced in healing your old wounds, but also started to define a standard for how you wish to live and what you expect from the future. This elevated state of consciousness is a testament to the power of self-awareness and self-acceptance. You fully recognize your value and the unique qualities you bring to every environment you find yourself in. With a clear awareness of your virtues, you stand with integrity and honor, never having been the target of scandals or committed serious mistakes that weighed on your conscience. This awareness of being loved by God gives you an aura of serenity and confidence that is visibly palpable. Currently, you find yourself in a state of heightened visibility, attracting looks and attention from various directions. However, a particular person, who occupies your thoughts constantly, has not been communicating as much as you desire. He observes from afar, perhaps waiting for the perfect moment to express his feelings or simply appreciating your presence in a more reserved manner. For now, he may choose to remain silent, but this does not diminish the intensity of his interest. This same interest has not gone unnoticed by others, who now try to attract his attention, openly competing for his affection. They see in him a potential for closeness, while you are focused on your own dreams and aspirations. You are living a period of spontaneity and passion, following your heart and exploring what you truly desire from life, which makes you even more attractive in his and others' eyes. Even in this competitive scenario, he remains fixated on you. Your presence has caused him some stress, since other people are also trying to catch his attention. However, he seems more interested in staying connected to you, even if in a more discreet manner. Recently, you have been emanating an energy that many find absolutely irresistible. Your joy of living is contagious, comparable to a piece of paradise on earth. This is a result of your focus on loving and valuing yourself deeply, which has transformed how you interact with the world around you. This personal transformation not only makes you magnetic in social and professional situations, but also enhances your self-esteem and emotional well-being. However, the person you are interested in shows a notable focus on you, transcending the superficial and reaching the deeper layers of being. He not only thinks of you frequently but dedicates himself to understanding your dreams and aspirations, delving into a sincere effort to align his hopes and goals with yours. This unique connection you share is reinforced by the authenticity of his feelings, which stands out in a scenario where many may choose to wear masks and adopt postures that do not reflect their true intentions. In this environment, he may be a prominent figure, perhaps due to his role in the community or a striking presence that naturally attracts attention. His charisma is not just a facet of his personality, it is an echo of the vibrant energy you also emit. This mutual energy creates a magnetic field that attracts not only admirers but also those who, unfortunately, may act with falseness in the hope of capturing the attention he dedicates to you. He finds in you a rarity that is hard to replicate. You both possess a spiritual harmony that is exceptionally rare, carefully choosing those who have the privilege of being part of your intimate circles. Your desire to avoid conflicts and your ability to connect on a deep level have been evident since the first encounter, where the attraction was instant and undeniably powerful. This attraction is not based merely on physical attributes, but on the resonance of your souls, which share similar frequencies and values that align perfectly. Throughout the path you have walked together, a journey of healing and self-discovery has unfolded, marked by moments of intense personal and spiritual growth. Through a deeply rooted connection, you both have not only enhanced your individual lives, but also the way you interact with each other. He, with a clear understanding of his spiritual journey, values the rare depth of this connection, recognizing that the shared spirituality between you transcends the usual, creating bonds that are both sacred and essential. In this relationship, he demonstrates a firm resolution, a willingness to commit deeply, but only with someone who resonates on a similar frequency. Despite the many people who may desire his attention and commitment, he remains faithful to the ideal that only a person who shares the same spiritual and emotional values deserves that special place in his life. In this context, you stand out as that unique person, one who not only understands but also complements and enriches his life experience. Contrary to any previous reputations that may have suggested he is someone who avoids deep commitments or behaves as a conqueror, to you, he reveals a completely different reality. You have inspired him to open his heart in a way he once considered unattainable. He sees in you a home, a safe refuge where he can truly be himself and express the divine goodness that resonates within his being. Your influence has been so profound that it has triggered a spiritual awakening in him, leading him to distance himself from confusing influences and focus intensely on his spirituality, redefining his priorities and choosing with exceptional caution the people he allows to be by his side. As he undergoes this spiritual transformation, he becomes more selective, placing great value on the quality of relationships rather than quantity. Your presence in his life is a constant source of inspiration and motivation to maintain this spiritual focus, recognizing that the connection between you is a rare alignment of souls who have found in each other not just a partner but a mirror for their deepest aspirations and dreams. He is deeply immersed in his spiritual journey, and this transformative dedication has led him to refine his choices of companions, selecting only those who truly resonate with his values and worldview. This filtering process reflects an emotional and spiritual maturation that has allowed him to recognize what truly matters in his relationships. Over time, he has discovered that superficial or fleeting options no longer have space in his life. He seeks something more substantial, something you seem to offer uniquely. The feelings he nurtures for you are not just deep, they are transformative, and he feels increasingly connected to you, emotionally and spiritually. Since the moment you met, he felt a special connection, something he couldn't immediately identify but that intrigued him deeply. This connection hasn't faded over time. On the contrary, it has only strengthened as he went through his own spiritual awakening. Even in moments of silence or distance, he is constantly aware of you, contemplating the uniqueness of your presence in his life. He is watching, learning more about who you are, even without direct communication. This awakening has led him to realize that, although other options may arise, they do not offer the depth and true connection he finds with you. Now, as he reaches a new level of spiritual clarity, he recognizes that the alternative options do not compare to what he feels for you. He desires a partnership that is enriching on all levels, emotional, physical, and spiritual. The attraction he feels is not superficial, it is rooted in a deep understanding that you share something exceptionally rare and valuable. Therefore, he is preparing for a meaningful conversation, a step he sees as inevitable and necessary to explore the possibilities of what you can build together. This moment of conversation is not just a formality, it is an opportunity for him to express the intense feelings and authentic attraction he has for you. He is ready to set aside any hesitation, driven by the clarity his spiritual journey has provided. He understands now that delaying this conversation could mean losing the chance to deepen a relationship he considers vital for his well-being and spiritual growth. He is no longer interested in maintaining appearances or considering other options that don't lead to a genuine and deep commitment. He desires to be with someone who not only understands his spiritual quest but is also a part of it, someone who, like him, values authenticity and depth in every aspect of life. He yearns for a relationship where both can grow together, supporting each other on their journeys and exploring the depths of a truly spiritual and emotional connection. And remember, you are worthy of loving and being loved. If you agree, affirm, I accept all the purpose and my destiny reserved by God and the universe. Share your reflections and experiences in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on upcoming inspiring messages. We look forward to seeing you soon. Together, we will elevate our spirits and create waves of positive energy that will envelop the world. Stay tuned for the next important message awaiting you in the next video. May God and the universe continue to light your path with peace, love, and faith. Amen.